Here we go, everybody. Job finished. Let's start our project review. The most important connection that we've established, which is our side sewer connection. The rest of the components are our low flow, which is what the rebate's all about, and our overflow, which connects to the sewer there, and also our inlet, which is this guy here. And that's the three main components of the stormwater control Rainwise setup. Now, let's see. Let's take another look at the rest of the stuff. So what we're looking at here is, well, first, here's our pipe. Now bear with me because it's very sunny today, thankfully, and I can't see much. I'm filming this on my phone, and I'm not seeing a whole heck of a lot except for pretty serious glare. But you know what? It's 85 and sunny, and I'm not complaining. So here's our components. This is kind of a shut-off. The water coming in and out. This valve here is for watering purposes. So what our homeowner will do is connect the hose right to here, then open the valve. There's no water in here yet. There's water on the other side. And that's how we can use our stored rainwater. And here is where the flow rate reduction takes place, which steps down from 3 inches down to 3/4, and then actually it's not in here yet, but that's going to be a 1/4 inch. So our program here is not to eliminate water from going into the sewer system. It's to reduce the flow of water during big rain events. So let's take a step back and look at the front yard. Here we are on the north side, and there's less glare so I could point stuff out a little more clearly. Starting with the north side, let's go to our most important feature, which is our connection to the side sewer. That's our starting point. Always, if you want the rebate money, you gotta drain this water into the as they're called, side sewers. Now here's our components. Well, let's take it from the top here. This is the water entering, coming in, which is right here. And then it travels down into the tank, and our setup here is, let's get a little closer. Let's see here. Okay. Here's the components, folks. 3-inch overflow pipe. This is our Rainwise reducer, which is the rebate. This is why we're here, right here. And this is for connection to the garden hose to reuse the water, your supplemental source. And let's see how much water we got there. Here we go. It's not great pressure, but we saw on the other footage that we do have water in here. But I think the level it's right about here. I can sort of feel it. So, came out pretty good. So let's just follow our path of redirected water.